Ningbo Borske Company, established in 2014, is a professional supplier of motorcycle windshields, motorcycle rims, motorcycle handlebars, motorcycle tailboxes, and ATV wheels. Borske Company is located in Ningbo City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our cooperated factories has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including CNC machining center, electric spark cutting machines, CNC lathes, together with new product design and production process. Our QC team will make whole course inspection. Also, Borske Company has been doing sales and service for our customers all the time. Now, our motorcycle parts and accessories are usually exported to Europe, North America, Australia, South America, and Southeast Asia. For long-term cooperation, we accept sample orders and trial orders with good prices. Also, we can offer OEM service for new projects. So please select current products from our catalog list. Also, you can seek engineering assistance for your application. Please talk to our customer service center about your requirements at any time. Meanwhile, fast response will be sent to you as soon as possible from our Borske team. Finally, welcome to Ningbo, and we are glad to meet you at Borske Company.